is to stand up and talk for my rights. I know what that is. See? And I don't care who the guy is. Because my right is my right.
Welcome to Ask the Lawyer with Brian Figueroa of the law firm of Figueroa and Associates for a free, no obligation legal consultation on issues such as immigration, personal injury, bankruptcy, divorce, family law, estate planning, wills and probate, deed transfers, civil rights, criminal defense, workers' compensation, and taxes, both individual and business. Call us at 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. Or visit us at www.askthelawyer.us. That's www.askthelawyer.us. This is Ask the Lawyer. You have questions, we got the answers.
Good day, good day, good day. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers all the time. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. Again, it's a new year, a new beginning. People are motivated to do even better. More people want to start their business. A lot of people want to change their jobs. And some of us want to change our wives, our husbands. Hey, it is what it is. You know, sometimes we make mistakes in lives, and I am the mechanic, the repairman. I will do as an attorney, help you reboot your life. So you're starting a business, give us a call for our small business solutions consult. Or if you have a business and you're restructuring, give us a call. If you have a whole piece of land you want to develop, you have a home and it's a R6 or R7 and you want to demolish, you want to rebuild, we could help you with your real estate development plans. We could help you. Hey, don't let anybody else develop your home into an apartment building, what have you. We could work with you. You know, those people who come knocking at your door, you know, please give me a property for $2. Well, we will give you $2.50. You work hard for the equity in your home. That home belongs to you. We could teach you how to save your property from foreclosure with loan modifications, Chapter 7, Chapter 13 bankruptcies. And if you're going to do a short sale, we could explain to you how you could keep control in certain ways where that short sale is concerned. So please, you know, people come to your home, they tell you that they're smart, they tell you that they're smarter than their lawyer, they tell you they're smarter than your mother or your wife. That may be true. In fact, it really is true. They may be smarter than you because you don't have a plan. But at Figueroa and Associates in our community, we could plan with you where you prosper more from what you have had for the most of your life. Most businesses are funded by the equity in your home. College educations are funded. There are many things that are funded by the equity in your home, so you want to try your best to save that equity for yourself and your family. And obviously, we know that the country has had this COVID crisis, but these large corporations, they could survive. We, the people, so to speak, it is more difficult for us. So we have to be more innovative. So please, you have those debts, instead of consolidating your debt, file a Chapter 7 bankruptcy or a Chapter 13 bankruptcy. But do not consolidate your debt in a manner in which you will end up in debt forever. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa and Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. 8845. Finally, we have voting rights for green card holders. Over 800,000 people will be eligible for all the races that are coming up in the city council and in the mayor's race next time around. You have the right to vote. You have the right to use that vote in a way that benefits yourself and your community. You need to do so. So what we're saying is you have more power. Use that power. We struggled many years to get this bill passed in the city council. It has finally become law. And if you want to run for office, if you want to bring about change, hey, give us a call. Let's see how we could work together. Again, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. And talking about civil rights and changes, we want to talk about Colin Moore, an attorney extraordinaire, civil rights leader. He passed recently in January here. We offer our condolences to Mr. Moore's family and friends. Colin Moore was known for a couple of cases that, really created some of the changes that we have in society. And one of the cases that he worked on was on the Central Park joggers case, a case in which obviously we know these black youths were charged with raping a white woman. These kids were convicted, sent to prison, only to find many, many years afterwards, through a confession and through DNA, that those kids were innocent. Mr. Moore and others fought for those kids' rights as criminal defense attorneys. They were ostracized, they were criticized by the victim and other people as being bad people defending these black youths. Yes. Sometimes you get a bad reputation for doing the right thing, which is you're innocent until proven guilty. Some people, you're guilty even if you're innocent, so to speak. So Mr. Moore worked on that case. The riots in Crown Heights with Kevin Cato, he was part of that scenario over there when a young boy was killed by a car and there was some riots, and Mayor Giuliani, we know what he is now. A lot of us didn't understand what he was then, but he was never good for New York City. He was Mr. Divide and Conquer. He had that slave master mentality. Obviously, we know what he did with the January 6th riots in Washington, D.C. So, Colin, we love you. We miss you. We know that you're in a better place as God-fearing people. Again, we wish you and your family all the love and peace in these times. My name is Brian Figueroa of Figueroa & Associates. This is Ask the Lawyer. You got questions, we got answers. The number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. As we spoke earlier on, we know that in the new year, there's new issues. There's tax issues. You have to get those tax returns done for your corporations, for your partnerships, for your S-corps, individual taxes. What we do here at Figueroa & Associates is give you financial tax planning advice. The tax return is a product that you use for tax planning. What we are all guilty of in our community is committing the crime against ourselves, which is that we do not do tax planning. How do you reduce your tax liability? Large corporations, wealthy people, they hire professionals all the time to plan their future in terms of tax planning, financial planning. How should you invest your money? What expenses, what can you deduct on your tax returns? What is the benefit of owning one property, two property, three properties, and can you afford to get a mortgage and buy a home or buy an investment property? on the income that you have. And what is important, obviously, is family. So a mother, a father, their children working together to make progress in life, a husband and wife working together, financially investing together into purchasing their first, second, or third properties. These are some of the things that we discuss when we work with you with tax preparation and tax planning. If you would like to have your taxes done and also obviously have some tax planning, which is obviously, I said, more important, the number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. We are in a pandemic. We talk about wills, trusts, and estate planning. Give us a call. Obviously, you don't want to wait until, obviously, you're in the hospital, because it's almost impossible to do any wills, trusts, or estate planning or prepare a will in those situations. Some people are sick at home. We do telephone consults. We prepare documents. And we have people come to your home to execute those legal documents along with a notary. Yes, we provide these services because in these modern times, we have to. We show respect for, obviously, those who are ill and obviously those who are critically ill. Give us a call for your wills, trusts, and estate planning needs. Our number to call, the number to keep, the number to share is 855-768-8845. Again, 855-768-8845. My name is Brian Figueroa with the law firm of Figueroa and Associates. Thank you for listening. Thank you for sharing. And again, all respect to Colin Moore, former attorney. Obviously, he's no longer here. Attorney extraordinaire, intellectual. One of the things I say about lawyers is, the best lawyers could do legal research and could write. Colin could write. He could do legal research. He always needed a typist to type stuff. And I've had many people who have worked with him in that capacity in the past, and they have moved on to be very productive people in our society. Not only was he a great lawyer, he was a great mentor for many individuals who, some of them went on the journey to become lawyers, paralegals, and also to work in the financial markets here on Wall Street. He was a civil rights hero. He was a leader, a hero on immigration issues. And like any other person who sticks their head out for our people, people came after him, white people. Again, love to him and his family. Thank you.
Do you have a legal issue, question, or concern? Turn to Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us. You can also register for our free paralegal program, get legal news, business consults, or other information on educational issues. Yes, Ask the Lawyer. You have questions? We've got answers. For a free consultation or to refer a client, visit www.askthelawyer.us. Again, www.askthelawyer.us.